In this video, we are going to open a TechnoKids Class Notebook and upload some work that you have saved into the My Work section of your private space. To begin, go to office.com and sign in to your Office 365 account. Once you're in, you should see a screen similar to this one. You are going to click the OneNote tile and click either Shared with Me or Class Notebooks and open the desired notebook. Open your private space and click My Work. You are going to hand in the My Package file that you created for this project. Give your page a name and call it the name of your file. Click in the area below the title, click Insert, click File, and choose Insert as Attachment. Any file other than Word or PDF needs to go in as an attachment. Go to the location of your saved work and click the file. Click Open. Your completed work has been uploaded to your section of your notebook. Your teacher can now have a look and see how you're progressing.